guys, so today is really exciting because guess what we're doing? We are decorating for Christmas. All of the fall decoration being stored away. Goodbye. Goodbye to all the fall kitchen decorations. Cannot wait for our little gingerbread tree. Honestly, my favorite thing though about fall, this little like, this is really sick, but goodbye to all this fall decoration. Don't want to see you again until next year. So I'm up here, don't know how to get down. We had to get this tree that weighs like 300 pounds that my dad shoved in this corner. Just me and my mom, okay, but we got it, okay? We'll update you in a little bit. Okay guys, this is what we're working with. It's just all of these bins. I'm gonna show you guys. So we have these 4 bins. We have all of these bins. These are not all the trees. These are just some of the trees. We have a busy day. We want to get this done in like 4 hours or like 3 hours. What do we do? It's usually like 4-ish hours. You guys are gonna see how crazy this is and be like, how'd y'all do that? I don't know. Where does this go?
This is like the old school trees. They don't just stack.
So I just touch them?
Yep.
Did you plug it in?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, I plugged the piece in. Yeah.
I'm like, I got dandruff in my hair.
Yeah.
Tree 3 is up. So we're doing the Winter Wonderland room right now. All of this. We're basically gonna decorate this entire thing right here. And then it's gonna look all cute. So we're currently doing this little Christmas sign. We're trying to recreate the one from last year. My mom forgot it, so we had to look it up, but Wait, no, there's an eyeball. He only has one eye. Oh no, the other eye's right there. Oh, he's sitting at an angle.
Look.
This one's so cute too.
Oh, I literally love that.
That is so fucking cute.
And it looks really pretty.
Okay guys, we have this one all decorated. It's so cute. This is my favorite one. These little snowshoes, ice skates. I think it's the cutest ornament ever. But yeah, it looks like this. We have a little gate around it so the dogs don't try and eat any of their little friends, because this right here, yeah, they're gonna think it's a toy. This is a little update on this. It'll look so much more prettier like at night. I'll show you guys what it looks like at night, but this is what it looks like right now. So now we're going to decorate this tree. These are all of the ornaments that go on this tree. This is my mom's like animal tree. Like she likes, you know, all the little animals. Like there's literally like there's so much stuff, and this literally all fits on there. And then the topper of the tree is the cutest. This is the tree topper. It goes on top. It's so freaking cute. What?
Oh,
So we just put the moose head. Now we're gonna put his little scarf.
Shit.
Mom, you almost just killed yourself.
I felt it in my ear.
Oh my gosh, should we like turn the fans off probably? Look, so he's all nice and warm. Cute. Realized like my mom, if nobody, like my mom's not obsessed with owls, but like you would think that she is, because 1 2 3 4 5, maybe she is obsessed with owls and she's just not telling me something. But like there's like, out of all of these, probably half of them are owls.
Here's another owl right here. Look. I do have enough for an owl.
What is this?
I just don't have.
This rabbit is a little, okay, it's cutie.
I love these little mice that you can clip on at the end.
I know, those are so cute. These are all the ornaments that go on my mom's gingerbread tree. They're really cute though. Okay, we laid out all the ornaments so we can see, and then you guys can see them, but see, it's so cute. It's like a bunch of gingerbreads and all that stuff. I really like this one. This one's really cool. I also like this one. It's really cute pictures of me. Let's see. Here's me. Cute. Guys, look at how cute these little milk cartons are. It's a little milk carton. And then look at this one. We got the signs up. We also have this sign. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys like when it's dark out. The sun is probably gonna go down in like 3 hours, so I'll show you guys, but it's so pretty in this room whenever it's like all dark, especially with like this little tree. It's so cute. Okay guys, so we're going to be doing our nighttime Christmas decoration reveal now. It literally looks so good, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay guys, so this is my favorite room. This is like the winter wonderland room. So we have this. It looks so cute. I was telling you guys earlier, these are my favorite. Yeah, it's so cute. We got like a little Santa over here. This, the trees, and then all of these up here. This snow globe, you guys, is so cool. Wait, hold on, let me turn down the brightness. It's so pretty. Here is the candy tree, like the gingerbread tree. It's time for the main star of the show. Hi guys, so I'm editing this video right now and I totally forgot to do an outro. So hey, I just wanted to explain something. In the beginning of this video, you guys saw that I wrote like Vlogmas. I had like a whole like title, like intro type thing, and it said Vlogmas. I want to do Vlogmas, but I know I cannot commit to 25 days of uploads. I don't have a team. I don't have like an editor or anything like that. Like everything is done by me. If I had an editor, I probably totally could. But yeah, I still want to do Vlogmas and like post a bunch in December. You guys will probably get like 15-ish videos from me out, and so I'm calling it Vlogmas because I want to do Vlogmas because last year I did not get a Christmas. I was sick, literally with COVID in the hospital for 30 days straight. Did not get December at all. I did not get a Christmas at all. So girl, this year we're making videos, we're doing all this stuff, so I'm super excited. Just kind of wanted to explain that in case you're confused, or if somebody's like, why are you calling it Vlogmas and you didn't upload day 2? Or why are you starting it on day 3? Because you guys are going to see this video on December 3rd. It's currently December 2nd. Which is Friday. That's a horrible day to upload. So you guys are gonna see this tomorrow. I'm gonna be making more videos. I think my next video might be like an I'm cold makeup look or whatever, because I found this like bright, like I found this blush that is like the perfect I'm cold makeup. You know that trend that's going around? Yeah, so that might be the next video. I'm not exactly sure. Don't really know my uploading schedule or anything like that. My brain is just very combobulated. So yeah, but I love you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun like making this video. All these years I've wanted to record myself decorating for Christmas, and I never do it just because I'm never ready. And this year I decided, who gives a fuck if you're not ready? Just film it. Like nobody gives a shit if you're ready or not. So yeah, that's my outro. I love you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what type of winter and Christmas videos you guys want to see, because I'm so fucking excited. I'm so excited for Christmas. I did not get a Christmas last year, so girl, we're going ham this year. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.